My name's Jono. Got myself a 1999 TD42. Nothing like it. She's a bit of a kitchen appliance, but she wheels on the highway. And she's one hell of a kind. So I'm already famous on Instagram with my Landcruiser when I had it. Had done it. Was up in Bali. Got a call from the missus. Repo. Couldn't make repayment. Got myself some tax. Now I'm back. Kettle. Love it. So gone with a nice trusty TD42. There's nothing else like it out there. There's no one in the area that's got one like this. It's the only one. It's factory. Been fitted with a TD42 from factory. Let me just tell you that. Come with the Tigers 11. Mate, good as a warn. Good as a warn, mate. You can't get any better. Good as a warn. Reliability is unbelievable. Mate, my Instagram is booming. Got some Rue lights. Them off Facebook Marketplace. They're not lined up. ARB bar. So when I uploaded my front bar, got about 200 likes on Instagram. It doesn't do as well as a cruiser, even though all the cruisers have the same shit on their car. I went with something different and I still couldn't even crack the market. Lucky I had those Instagram followers already with the Jono79. My bar that I got it when I had a four-wheel drive subscription because I came back and being a patrol owner, I've got to subscribe to four-wheel drive action. There's nothing like it. They're the only guys that tell me what to do. Something around a 30. Still stroking light bars here, boys. Still stroking them. So because I'm always out in the red desert, I've got myself a phone signal antenna here, UHF. These are my pride and possessions. Stubby holders. Got the A4S sales there. Then I got thoroughbreds with me and the boys. Bought a horse together. BMG photography we got here. And then that was from a Chuka, but I didn't go. My mates went and they gave it to me. So the reason I rock two is so I can put more stubby holders up on them. And that means I've got plenty to go. So when I go to those B&S balls, blokes know I get on the piss real hard. And here, right here, there is my steering damper. Look at it. See it? See that? Steering damper. Just loves it. I still stroke everything I've got. So my hub seal over there leaks like a sieve. I don't know why. It's just the passenger side. Always does it to me. If you look from that angle, it looks shaved, but that's your gut in front of it. If you look at these patrol diffs, mate, they're nothing like those 79 pissy shit they've got on theirs. These are fat boys, you can shave them down. Make sure you get that clearance in those bog holes. Over here you got some dobbos, because no, you only run dobbos in a patrol, that's all you do, mate. You run dobbos and that's the way to go. I've got 2-inch spacers in there, right? Useless, but it looks tough as, yeah? When you go out with the boys to the Vic High Country, mate, who's that, you know, patrol coming up the hill, bouncing around and got no center of gravity. Shocks are 6-inch, my coils always pop out, and I've got no sway bars, but it's tough as fuck. So up the front here, there's no recovery, mate, because it's a patrol. TD42's hard work because we're all different. We're not the same, you know? It's just very different. Alright, so along the side here, we've got nice, beautiful custom work, mate. Here we've got factory TD snorkel. Listen, I wanted a stainless look, but I've decided just to extend it with a bit of a stormy pipe, a bit of a clamp around it. It's a bit higher, neater. Take it off top so it's, you know, you hear that noise, that turbo spooling. Factory. Don't forget the factory Nissan snorkel. O-cam roof rack up there. It's a bit like an ARB, but who's to say what, yeah? Light bars, lights up there. Don't do nothing, just look good, yeah? No use to anybody than myself. I put my fuel up there because it drinks like a camel. Put my swag up there, always ratchet strap stuff down, you know, get all that wind drag, but you know, it looks good when you're going up to the high country. The boys are like, that's me, that's Jono TD42, bro. He's coming hot. He's coming real hot. Beautiful Dacia that I stole from me next door neighbour, mate, because I'm not paying for a Dacia. Come down to my side steps. Hang on, let me just clean that sticker up. Look at that. Boys just love it when they can see that 4.2 litre, you know what I mean? Nothing beats a 4.2 litre sticker on the side because you know it's rigid disc. Clean that up with my arm. My side steps here for when I go rock crawling with all the boys. Keep coming around to the back to the height of my car. Video don't do it justice, mate. This thing is she's staunch, she's Instagram famous, mate. Don't worry about those 79s. So here we go on the side here. Rust, tough rear bar. She's tough. Just hit it. Just keep hitting it. Beautiful. That's the bar. That rear bar just makes you bar up, doesn't it? Got a dual jerry can holder. Put fuel in there. This one's for the B&S, but we just put all the grog in there. The boys load her up, and we got this for a weekend. Go here, got me tyre on the rear. The high lift jack, she's a real high one, right? Got me recovery points here. I pull out those 79, right? Go down to here. And all you see, pan hard coil, pan hard coil, pan hard coil. Doesn't love seeing a pan hard coil. So if you come in close, see how fat me shocks are, right? They're real fat strut. So there's me pan hards. If you come in, you got big shocks here. Boys love big shocks. Instagram blew up, posted them. Dobbos, tagged them. They didn't give me a discount, but what do you do? Anyway, back to me diff. Look how big she is compared to that old dirty 79 that I had. Right, what I'm gonna do is get reduction gears. Brito's gonna hook me up, front and rear, because at the moment when I get on the freeway, I put it in low range to make sure I get up there. I've been talking to Superior. I want to go the 3-inch legal kit. So Brito will give me the reduction gears. Superior will give me the lift. I'm still speaking to Mark's forward drive, I'll get those portals in here. Just a matter of time and sponsorship, you know what I mean? Because you get sponsorships off Instagram. I had to give back my other parts off my Cruiser because I, lost my car, so now I've had to change the name, change the game, baby. So once I get those reduction gears, there's no need to change nothing in the engine. I don't know why these guys do it. Like your Barrett GU, putting bloody barras in there. You got guys putting LS's in old GQs. I don't get it, Manny Burton. Tell me, mate, why are we doing it? This is beautiful power right here. It just makes you feel like a man when you're coming on the highway. So up here you can see, got my original plates from the 79. That's all I could keep. And also my Instagram followers. I'm going to get Queensland plates. I got a mate up there, I'll rego it. And I'm just going to have the best because you can get it as a full plate because the TD42 is the best. What about your shit full drive fucking action shitty drawers that you got in there?
Ease up, guys.
Show you me interior so I can show you she's twin locked. Come round, mate. I'll show you. Mate, here's me rear. Here's me front. There's me compressor. Just watch your bottles, mate. Sorry, you've got ciggies everywhere. Sorry, mate. Oh, and back. That's for when I hear a squeak, mate. I'll get out of the car, give it a quick squirt. So when I roll up, she's not squeaky. I'll show you gauges here, right? Have it with this hurler. Got a bit of duct tape over me ETG gauge. Don't want to see what's going on because don't want to see what the temps are doing. I just want to see it go up and down, up and down, up and down. So she just, oh, mate, what a tune. Hey, listen, hear me. Come on, mate. Hey, can you tell your co-partner what's it gonna be, little darling? Woo! On the horses, yeah. Mate. Know your fucking place, you only drive a 3-litre, alright? Mate, they're always trying to contact me on the UHF, but I drive a 4.2, they're a 3-litre, Pyramid is 4.2, 3-litre, then Scumbag. Right there, I'm on the top, nothing can beat me. The 79 is an Instagram model thing, this is 4.2, man. I hold on with both hands because she swells like the Titanic. Alright, none of that shit, let's go look at me man tyres. So, my tyres I've got is the 35 BF Mud Terrain, right? Because that's what full drive actually tells you to buy in the magazine. It's always there. BF. Anyway, I've got manual hub front because I'm a comp rig on the weekend. These are my daily tyres, so I've got my daily bead locks. Well, they're fake bead locks, but they do what they got to do. They got to get you that Instagram feed hub. Now, if we look here, I do put 40s on there. I get a bit of scrubbing up there, but I refuse to tell people that they don't scrub because that's what all patrol owners do. We don't say it scrubs. We just say, yeah, we can bolt on 40s and 37, neg 40, But she rubbing, continuing to rub. Nothing's going to change the rubbing facts. All right, none of that. Let's go to the business end. Let's get to the exciting part. What's underneath here? She's rare as fuck. There's not many of them. Right, paid 45. Guys are trying to sell them for 30, but they got no idea what they've got in their shed, mate. All right, you want a tea, mate, or a coffee? She's ready to go. She's shit hot, ready to go. Oh, unless you want some noodles. So over there, got me dipstick. I don't look at it because she burns a heap of oil, but got me trusty screwdriver. Cowboy set me out when you can purchase it on his Instagram page. And what you do is you just wind it. You just keep winding it and winding it. Soot gets the mutt. It just dumps. I'll go a 12mm pump on the rear. I'll get more soot. I'll undo that screw. So I've got an 18G turbo from eBay coming. I'm just going to pump 30 PSI into her. She'll probably pop a crank, but I'm not going to tell the boys. Up here, got me radiator right. Been up to the high country during the snow season. She does fuck all. Might as well just take it off and she'll probably run even better. So I've gone and put twin dual batteries in there. I uploaded that to Instagram and she just went wild. The 2 dual batteries in there. She was just cranking. Mate, we were watching porn for like 8 hours in the high country. Just 5 blokes in a tent. It was weird, but it was good. It was warm. So if you pop your head down there with the camera, see that I've disconnected the aircon belt because she makes it run a lot cooler. I don't need it to be cold inside. The car needs to be cold at the front or else she'll pop. All right, flick off the camera. I've got a bang for you when we go out on this, boys. So on that note, you got a 3-litre. Don't say hi to me. You got a 4.2. I'm seeing you now. Time to go big one.